Let's continue with 9.1. So write a polynomial that represents the perimeter of the figure. The perimeter will be nothing but add all the sides up. So copy down question number 31 along with the picture and along with the dimensions given. So you want to find the perimeter, you need to add all the sides up. So let's do that. So the first one you need to add is 3x minus 2, which is the top side, plus 2x plus 1, which is the next one, plus 5x minus 2, which is the third side, plus 2x, which is my last side. Now, one little tip when you're talking about polynomials is to spread them apart. Look at the size of my screen and look at the way that I have spread the numbers. Do not scrunch them together. You need working space so you can circle your numbers. So you're looking to see if there is any number that you can combine, any terms you can combine. I'm looking for all the x. So this is my 3x. This is also an x. This is also an x term. And this is also an x term. Make sure that you're circling with the sign attached. So once you get this, you're going to look at 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So you're going to get 12x. So now we're looking to see if there is anything you can combine with negative 2, positive 1, and negative 2. So negative 2 and a positive 1 combines to give you a negative 1. Negative 1 and a negative 2 combines to give you a negative 3, which will be the final answer. They're not asking you to find a single number as an answer. They're just asking you to simplify this expression and find the perimeter. So the perimeter in this case will be 12x minus 3. Now copy down question number 32. So you get the first one, which is 3xr. So you're going to open this. 3r to the power of 2s plus 5rs plus 3. Now this is the one I'm talking about. Make sure that you have plenty of space between each term. So it's easy to circle. Do not scrunch them together and don't try to conserve space. Now this one you're going to apply a distributive property to open the parentheses. So I'm going to multiply positive 1 to all of them, which is going to give me negative 8rs to the power of 2 minus 9rs minus 12. So once I apply the distributive property and open the parentheses, my next step is to see if I could combine anything. R to the power of 2 and S to the power of 2. They look similar, but they are not exactly the same. Here, the exponent 2 is for R. Here, the exponent 2 is for S. They are not alike. So you cannot combine this and this. So leave them alone. So the first one I'm going to write 3R to the power of 2 S. I'm just going to bring it down. There is nothing else to combine. So the next one I'm going to combine is RS. I'm looking for another RS, which is here. So I'm trying to combine this with this. So when I'm trying to combine, I'm looking to combine the numbers. Positive 5, negative 9 combines to give you negative 4. RS just tags along. Now the last one I can combine is a positive 3 and a negative 12. Positive 3 and a negative 12 combines to give you a negative 9. And minus 8rs to the power of 2 just tags along, and this will be the final answer. Now copy these important notes down. They are important because some of the questions on your EUC might possibly talk about finding the degree. So this is question number 1 and this is question number 2. So the question is asking you find the degree. So for this question, the degree will be the highest exponent. The only tricky thing is the exponent in this case, r gets a 2, there is also an s tagging along. So since you're looking at one term where all of them are multiplying, s gets a power of 1. If there is no exponent, you take it as 1. So watch what I'm going to do. I am looking at the 2 and the 1 and I'm combining them to give me a 3. So the highest degree in this case becomes now a 3. Now look at the second question, copy this down. Now you want to find the degree. So you're looking at, this is a monomial. It's a monomial because 8 multiplies m squared, which multiplies r to the power of 4, which multiplies s. So this is a monomial. So you need a monomial to find the degree. So the degree in this case is s also gets a power of 1. So if I highlight, So the degree in this case is m is a 2, r is a 4, s is a 1. So you combine them all together. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So the degree becomes a 7. It is a little tricky to understand, so you might want to rewatch it again and understand this concept.